welcome to BT Breaks Africa. Shigo Storms here to dish out some of the top stories from the African continent and the rest of the world. So without further ado, let's get into them. So in case you didn't know already, DC is giving us a black Superman. That's right, I did not stutter. The next Superman movie will feature a black actor in the lead role for the first time ever, and it looks like Warner and DC are committed to also hiring a black director to bring this vision to life. It will not be new ground for the DC comic icon, as a black Superman was first introduced in the 2009 series Final Crisis 7. His name was Calvin Harris. He was from an alternate universe. But there is no indication that this will be the version of Superman who will appear in the upcoming film. Now, back in 2019, Michael B. Jordan was rumored to be involved playing the titular role, but he played down the rumors, saying, you know, he's just watching on this one. So fingers crossed, we waiting. We want to know there's a black Superman, yo, and he's coming soon. Ghanaian British actress and screenwriter Michaela Coel is one of 6 trailblazers honored for Variety's 2021 Power a Woman in Comedy issue. Now, she deservingly joins 5 other powerhouses in comedy, such as Mindy Kaling, Sofia Vergara, Kate McKinnon, Maya Rudolph, and Julia Louis-Dreyfus. Styled by Nana Kwasi Waife, Michaela shares the importance of staying connected to her community, as well as tackling sensitive issues such as sexual assault, consent, and society's connection to social media. Now, Coel has said she plans to continue working in television, and she's dedicated to breaking barriers with her stories while entertaining the audience with her quirky but transparent sense of humor. And we absolutely love it. She looks gorgeous on this cover. She is just killing it all around. Publishers whose music is being used on TikTok, Facebook, and Netflix, as they will now be eligible to receive royalties. Royalties! So this is announced by the Southern African music rights organization, SAMRO, which revealed that it has started collecting royalties on behalf of its members. Now, this is a very, very positive move for creatives in South Africa, and it's come after long talks between SAMRO and the popular digital platforms on licensing agreements. Now, according to Business Insider South Africa, TikTok is estimated to have more than 6 million users in the country, so you can only imagine all the coins that will be coming to these artists. It is also believed that the agreement to collect royalties on behalf of the creatives was in fact provoked by the success of the song Jerusalema, produced by South African hitmaker Master KG, which then later became this huge TikTok sensation in 2020. And in February this year, record company Warner, which has a contract with Master KG, demanded license fees to use the popular song in dance videos, and had in fact even written to several organizations across Germany. These guys gon' get paid whether you like it or not. We like it. And in cute, wholesome family news here, we're pretty sure you're used to seeing superstar actor Will Smith around his family, Jada, and the kids. But what is in fact rare is a sibling photo of Will. Big Will posted a rare photo of him with his siblings as they celebrated a milestone birthday in the family. The 52-year-old actor Will is with his brothers and sisters celebrating twins Ellen and Harry turning 50. Now, the I Am Legend star wrote with an arrow across the picture to point out his younger twin siblings before captioning the photograph with, "My little brother and sister are 50 today." Well, the birthday celebrations come a day after Will posted that photo of him in just shorts, along with a vow to whip his post-pandemic body into shape. Because, yeah, we have seen it. We understand you, Big Will. And we've come to the end of BT Breaks for today and for this week. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will catch you again on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday next week, same time, sending you all so much love and light by storms. Bye-bye.